Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert slides to video or GIF with audio in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is a desktop version of Canva. To get started, you can try to click apps, then click design essentials, and then try to find slides to video. So you can convert slides to MP4 video or to GIF, add background music and voice narration to your exported presentation, customizable slide conversion, adjustable transition time. So you can click use in new design, for example. So here we go. So you can export format, choose the video or the GIF. Then this is the size. If you choose a GIF, so there is a small, medium with a 800 and 600 pixel, and large. For video, also with a small with 150 pixel, medium with 800 and 600, and large with 1600 and 1200 pixel. So this is the interval. So by default is 2 seconds, and just simply create convert to video or convert to GIF. So here, file type, size, and you can change this one because you need to upload your plan, and you can choose the page, for example only current page, or you can select only 3 page. Done, then click export. Please be patient, the time depends on the number of pages. And here we go, you can add the design, and or you can start over. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also contact button below. See you in the next video.